Do you know that Xpeng has unveiled a flying car that blurs the lines between science fiction and reality, capturing the imagination of people worldwide? The Chinese company, known for its innovative approach to electric vehicles, is making headlines with its revolutionary flying car that can seamlessly transition from a sleek road vehicle to an aerial marvel. This futuristic machine not only promises to redefine personal transportation but also offers a glimpse into a world where the skies are open to everyday travel. It's a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement, sparking curiosity and excitement across the globe. The Xpeng flying car, officially known as the Xpeng X2, is a marvel of modern engineering. It is designed to operate on both roads and in the skies with ease, boasting a fully electric system that aligns perfectly with the global shift towards sustainability. The vehicle's design is both aerodynamic and stylish, featuring rotor blades that fold neatly away when it's used as a car, and extend when it's ready for flight. The transition between driving and flying is smooth and intuitive, controlled by advanced software that ensures safety and stability at all times. This innovation not only represents a leap in technology but also challenges the very concept of what a car can be. One fun fact that you must know is that the Xpeng X2 is equipped with autonomous driving and flying capabilities, making it a pioneer in the field of autonomous aerial vehicles. This means that, in the near future, you could be commuting to work or traveling across cities with minimal input, leaving you free to enjoy the journey. The Xpeng X2 is not just a vehicle, it's an experience that promises to change the way we think about travel. Its release has not only shaken the automotive industry but also set a new benchmark for technological innovation, inviting other companies to explore the possibilities of flying cars. As we stand on the brink of a new era in transportation, we can't help but wonder what the future holds. Will flying cars become a common sight in our skies, or will they remain a luxury for the privileged few? How do you feel about the prospect of one day owning a vehicle that can take you both on the road and into the air? With the Xpeng X2 leading the charge, the possibilities are endless. What do you think about this groundbreaking development in transportation?